In this lesson, I want us to take a look at the blog section here. So let's click on, when you click on the blog, then you see, of course you have this big image here, and you can be able to click on each one to see a little bit more about it, or click on the read more. So let's go over to the blog with right sidebar. So this has the popular news, and it also has the search functionality, it has the categories, it has the tag cloud. So we're going to be going over the modules, in the upcoming lesson. But blogs are a really great way for you to, keep your audience up to date with, different information which come in. So let's take a look now at how we can make some changes here. So for example, when you come to this post formats, you have different formats that you can post. So let's take a look at the standard. So this is what a standard looks like. Let's take a look at a quote. So you can create a blog, that just has a quote. And this is a really great features that, has been introduced with the Helix 3 framework. So it's really, really great. So how do you manipulate this? How do you change this and decide what to put? Okay, let's go back to the template manager. Now from the template manager here, when you go to blog, you have the option here of showing the different icons. You have yes or no. So right now it's saying yes. So where do this icon show? Let's go over to the article manager. So you go to content and you go to article manager, and you're going to see how to utilize this particular function. So let's click on this one, for example. Okay, so this is, just a default blogging layout. But when you click on the Helix option here, this is where you see this quote, and you see John Doe. So the format now is a quote format. So the blog is going to come in as a quote, and then you have additional information here at the bottom. So this the first, the quote section, if you want to change that, or if you want that to be as a quote, if you want it to be as a link. So whatever it is that you want it to be as, you can choose from here. And that's what these are when you click on the different post formats. When you say gallery, the reason why you're able to see a gallery format is because you can choose a gallery here, and you can upload your images from here, a standard. So the post format is, it's a great way for you to present content in a different way. Sometimes you may not want to write a full blog. You just want to post, just a short status update, or you want to post just something. See this one here? You can connect that too with your Twitter. So that's really cool, and you can be able to come here for each article. You can, based on what you want, you can make the necessary changes here.